pala kami ngayon ni Mute. Ako nga pala si Carmi J. Tiqueres. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel.
Ako naman si Nikki Nicolodit Santos. Laro kami ng Would You Rather, Boys and Girls. Ikaw dyan, at si tao dito.
Sige, magsa-start na nga kami. Pipili na kami ng skin tone namin.
Okay.
Ito.
Ay,
Yan.
skin ko pala.
Ayan, pinili na kami. Sabay na tayo. Hintayin mo ako. Ayan, guys. Nag-aano kami ngayon.
Piliin natin. Okay.
Ano
Ako
sa'yo?
na lang ako yung guess.
Yung lalaki
Headless.
mo. Headless siya. Would you rather? Ako face. Maganda kasi yung face.
Okay.
Ayan o. Yan sa kanya.
Okay, let's start na ako.
Okay. Dapat sabay na tayo with would you rather.
Apa.
Para makita ng mga viewers natin.
Okay. Okay.
Saan ka na?
Would you rather this pants or random pants? This pants.
This pants sa kanya. Ako, this pants na lang din para parehas kami.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Let's start.
Okay, guys. Nag-jump kami ngayon. Ngayon, wala pala si Alina kasi nga lobat yung cellphone niya. This t-shirt or random t-shirt? Gusto ko random.
Random.
Ano kaya to? Ayan, ang ganda.
Hellstar.
Ayan yung kay Nicolo. Pakita mo nga sa'yo, Ki. Ang totoo niya pangalan, Nikki. Pero ang username niya, Mute. Okay, next naman. Okay, next na.
Okay, my hair.
Oh no. Ala, nahulog ako, guys. No, oh no. Babalik lang ako, guys. Kailangan yan.
I will need to wait at the...
Mawiwait naman niya ako. Mabilis lang naman ako. Oh no. Okay.
Kita ko. I can see you.
Nahulog ako dahil sa ano ko. Hindi ko siya inaasahan na mahulog ako. Kala ko si Nicole yung mahulog. Pero I'm almost full like that.
I can see you.
Yan. I almost there na, guys.
Your hair. Your hair.
Yes.
Your hair naman.
Yan. Okay.
Okay.
What did you choose?
Random hair.
Ang pinili niya random hair. Ang pipiliin ko naman this random hair kasi hindi ko bet. Ayun.
Okay.
Blue siya. Asan ka, Ki?
Dito.
Saan kaya siya?
Sa mga damit.
Oh. Saan ka na? Doon ka nga sa buhok. Dali, para makita ka nila ng viewers natin. Hanapin ko lang siya, guys, kasi pagka-iwalay kasi.
No!
Yan, hintayin na lang natin siya, ganun. Ayan, ayan. Ito na yung kasunod niya. Yes. May sipon ako ngayon, kaya ganito yung boses ko, guys. Ayan.
I can see you.
Saan ka na? Ayan, guys. Diyan na siya. Ayan. Ayan yung avatar niya.
Pupunta sa... Hello, guys.
Ay, guys, ito nga pala siya. Let's go.
Okay, good na.
Go. Binababalik na daw siya. Pang boys. Okay, next. Nahuulog kasi minsan pasmado yung kamay namin. Ayan, guys. Yes. Oh no. I almost fell na, guys.
Okay.
Yes. Yan, kaya kailangan ko siya. Minsan nahulog ako.
Bilog.
Kasi minsan di siya. Ano yung pinili?
Okay.
Ayun, nandiyan na siya.
Koblaks or nothing. Yung mga Koblaks yung ganyan.
Yeah.
Yung
Like,
Koblaks.
ito pala guys yung core blocks.
Alam
Tapos
ko
ito
yan,
yung
yung
nothing.
mayamang yan.
Yeah,
Kaya feeling mayamang yan.
of course. Ang pinili ko this.
Hello.
Yeah, hi. This is
Same.
my brother.
Okay, tingin ko yung avatar mo, yung kung napili ka, napili ka ng Koblaks. Ako din. Okay.
Yes, ito po, pinili ko. Oh no. Oops.
No. Oh, at least may visible.
Yeah. Oh no. Ow. it's some like troll in here.
Okay, I'm here na.
Yeah.
Okay,
Ikaw muna.
my Robux to yan.
Yeah. Yung ano lang.
I think that's this necessary or random. Random.
Random yung pinili niya. Okay. Would you rather these accessories or random accessories? Ito ko yung flowers na white yung nakuha ko, guys. Asan kaya siya?
Meet time.
Walang kung nasan na siya ngayon. Kasi nga magkahiwala yung boys and girls. Yeah. Ayan, guys. Diba? Saan ka na?
This hat or this one?
Random yung pinili niya, guys. Would you rather this hat or random?
Okay.
Oh,
tingin mo yung glasses ko.
Yeah, it's like,
Kumakunting natago.
oo, hindi ko makita kasi headless ka. Ito, yung ano ko nasa ulo ko. It's like, so fantasy.
Okay.
Ang ganda ng
Let's
pagka-sunflower niya.
go.
Hindi na naman tayo makakapag-vlog kasi nga may pasok. Baka pwede naman tayo makapag-vlog kung may time tayo. Right?
No.
It's almost like 12:02 na, guys. Yeah, 12:02 p.m.
Okay, this place na sorry.
Gabi na, guys.
This one.
Anong pinili mo? Random yung pinili niya, guys. This accessories or random? Ito, random na lang. Wireless headphone. Okay, ito yung pinili niya.
Tingnan mo.
Eh, yes, ito yung pinili niya, guys. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Ayan, guys. Oops, nahulog si ate. Telephone.
Okay. Okay.
Ito,
This
nasa
necessary or random necessary.
Lakasan mo. Yung pinili niya, guys, is would you rather these
Money
accessories or
talks.
random? Pinili niya random accessories.
I have
Itong,
money.
oh, ang cute. Cute. Kitty cat.
I have money.
Backpack, guys, yung nakuha ko.
I have money.
Oh,
I have
no.
money.
Oops.
Ito naman.
I success.
Random hair. I kinda don't like my hair. So, random hair.
Oh, no.
This-
Ow.
This. I have money.
Oh, random.
I have money.
Oh, it's so cute.
I have money.
Her name is cute.
I have
Oh,
money. I have money.
Anyway. Yeah. Can I see your outfit? To see in our viewers? Oh. Did you think? What did you rate of him? I think it's almost 8 over 10.
Wait. We're gonna rate this to the end. We are close to the end.
Okay.
And the hat or and the shirt.
I
Random
will
shirt.
random. Oh,
Okay, good.
strip button bunny ear hat. Okay. It's almost so cute too.
I choose random.
And we're almost in the end.
Okay. I have a no t-shirt.
Guys, napanood niyo na ba yung channel namin na naging labubo si Nicola? Yeah, naging labubo siya dun sa channel namin. Panoodin niyo na lang. Panoodin niyo na lang yung channel namin.
No.
Guys. It's almost fun.
No.
Nakakatawa yung character niya na labubo,
No.
guys. Panoodin niyo, yeah.
I regret.
He's shy of what he's doing
My
after that.
headphones ako. My headphones.
Can I
And
see?
that's it, sorry.
Okay. Gold necklace yung nakuha ko, guys.
You are
Like this.
close to the end.
Yes. Tsaka,
No.
wag yung kalimutan panood. And may sasabihin, at baka makalimutan nyo na naman, don't forget to subscribe and like
Shut up,
our
shut up.
channel.
Okay.
And
I'm
guys,
gonna-
wag yung kalimutan na
Glasses.
panoodin yung naging labubo si
No.
Nicolo. It's almost funny.
I have no glasses.
You almost laugh of what he's doing. And her character is so funny too. right?
You are in the end.
But I didn't want to see her character. If you want to see her character, the Labubu, it's so funny.
We are
Just watch.
at the end. Wait. Okay. Okay.
Let's
Okay.
go.
The line. Okay. This is me, Nikki Nicolotti Santos. I have the channel name Nikki Nicola Santos. And I have another channel made by me again. Ismael Nicola Di Santos.
And my name is Carmi Jade. And I have a channel too. Its name is Carmi Jade. And don't forget to subscribe in my channel and her channel. And don't forget to watch our channel. Its title is She Become a Labubu in the
No.
It's so funny. Just watch it.
Okay.
And we're all doing...
Wait. Do
Okay.
not press that.
No. Oh, yeah.
Do not press that.
Okay. Wait a second.
I'm
We almost forgot.
Wait.
Okay.
Wait. We need 2 wins. So we gonna make the part 2 of this. So bye.
Okay. We also forgot it. Don't forget to rate our car. Don't forget to rate our avatar. Okay? Just rate, guys. And I will rate in Nataraki is 8 over 10. What did you want to rate at me? What?
At 10 out of 10.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay.
And
Bye-bye.
Okay, let's see as our viewers. Baka
Bye-bye.
makalimutan nila. And guys, we will make a fun videos. And don't forget to watch our channel. And don't forget to watch Nicola Become a Labubu in Brookhaven.
No.
Just watch it. Okay, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
We're gonna make a part 2.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
We're gonna make a part 2. Bye-bye.